La videocolumna de Giovanni Frati.
Hello, my dear friends. This is a video in answering the very arrogant and swift retaliation of the Undersecretary for INL, or International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Programs of the State Department, Mr. Todd Robinson. Mr. Robinson, you are not only a coward that does not respond to Dr. Consuelo Porras' reenactment as General Attorney of Guatemala, but you do it through an institutional account. You should say it yourself. You should put your face and your signature in the condemnation of a Guatemalan national. We are a sovereign nation. This flag that is behind me, it's the flag of a sovereign nation. We are a nation that respects the rule of law and that expect that the United States, which also states in its constitution that due process and rule of law is essential to a constitutional government, does the same. You, in your condemnation of Consuelo Porras and her husband, are accusing Guatemalan nationals of causing corruption without presenting a shred of evidence against Guatemalan nationals. Guatemala is not your country, Mr. Robinson. Guatemala does not answer to you. Guatemala is a sovereign nation, and we demand respect from the State Department. If you have evidence against Consuelo Porras or her husband, you should present that evidence in a court of law, either in Guatemala or the United States, and if a judge finds her guilty, then you have grounds to condemn a Guatemalan national of corruption acts. It's an aberration. It's a crime against the Constitution of Guatemala and the Constitution of the United States to condemn a Guatemalan citizen without evidence. You are violating international human rights, you are violating your own constitution, and you are violating the sovereignty and the Constitution of Guatemala. Mr. Robinson, you are a disgrace to the diplomatic service of your country, and we as Guatemalans do not have to tolerate your mingling in international affairs concerning Guatemala, and especially in internal affairs of Guatemala, violating the Vienna Convention.
La videocolumna de Giovanni Frati.